As the week started yesterday, the gold has made indecision candle again on the market. We can see that yesterday price has formed a small bullish candle body with the wick on the upper side and the wick on the lower side with the same length, which means there was a fight between the buyers and the sellers and no one could push the price in any other direction. So the price is almost closed the day at the same price as it has opened. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see how the price is jumping up and down, up and down. Yesterday, between these two price levels, it was 3945.76. We can see that here. The price was jumping up and down between this 4-hour time frame, 3979.35, and the upside was around 4046.16. So we can see the price yesterday was jumping up and down, could not make a bullish or bearish breakout. So the price is still inside indecision range area, a confluence between the buyers and the sellers. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see the price has behaved yesterday, was jumping up and down. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see strong bullish and bearish candles going up and down, which means there is selling pressure above this area of resistance, which is a daily resistance level, and below that we can see the support is still holding 3979. There is no strength from the bulls or the bears pushing the price in any of the directions, because we can see the price whenever it reaches this area here, it is a demand zone where the buyers are waiting, and here the price cannot manage to continue after making a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. So slightly I will move like this here, so we do not have a false signals sending us as a bullish breakout indicating further rise in value. And we can see this is the area as a resistance, a supply zone where the sellers are waiting, and it's not allowing the price to reach higher price levels. Here we can see whenever the price goes below this area of support, it reaches the next one, which is here, but we can see currently in the last few hours the price cannot manage to make a bearish breakout. So what we can make as a conclusion for today, what we can expect, it's clearly visible that the price is jumping up and down, cannot make its way out, because until one of the side bulls or bears find enough strength to push the price in their direction, I'm still waiting outside. And especially we can see on the daily time frame how this looks. It was in decision candle yesterday. The price is in between this daily resistance and daily support level. There is no clear signal where the price could go, especially here on the daily time frame. There is no technical analysis based on the candles. What I can see, it is not indicating me in any direction where the price could go. 4-hour time frame also do not have any bearish or bullish breakouts. Only we can see that there is a strong resistance level that has been touched several times, this area here, and below that we can see there is a gap around here where the demand zone is, and we can see this is currently a bearish candle on the 4-hour time frame that has managed to close below this area of support. We can say it here. So this is a small indication that there is selling pressure stronger than it is bullish that the price has reached here. But we can see whenever the price reaches this area below this area of support 3979.35, the price immediately returns back up. So we'll see what happens around this area of support. Will the price manage to make a bearish breakout indicating further decline in value, or will the price again attack this area of resistance, trying to make a bullish breakout going above this area of resistance, reaching higher price levels? So for now it is the best to say out. At least what I can see, there is no clear evidence on the market what could happen in the future, except that the price is trying currently making a bearish breakout. It is a bearish pressure on this demand zone here where the buyers are waiting. This is on the 4-hour time frame. If you take a look on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that after the prices reach this area of support on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that here, this is a 4-hour time frame support level, the price cannot manage to close a 1-hour time frame candle below this area of support. We can see that for 3-4 hours the price could not manage to close the candle below. It has only wicks. So this means this is the area of support where the price is still holding. The buyers are defending this area of demand zone, not allowing the price to go further down. If the candle closes on the 1-hour time frame below this area of support, this will be indication that there is strength from the bears pushing the price down, eventually trying and making a bearish breakout. So for now, on the 1-hour time frame, nothing is visible, at least for me. Not the bears, not the bulls are strong enough to push the price in the direction. So it is the best to stay out, wait until the market makes a move, and then follow the market. If you would like to join the premium analysis, feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders to receive the updates during the day when there is bullish and bearish breakouts on all 3 time frames that I have currently covered in this analysis. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.